Welcome to the channel. I'm Tequila B with TruLuv Designz, and today is the day that we've all been waiting for. Today is the big reveal for hashtag So Rump Jump Play 22. This garment that you see me in now is my wearable muslin. I really like this. I did tell you in the previous video that I was going to make my muslin in a romper. That way I would save some fabric. This fabric was actually purchased from Hobby Lobby. I can't remember what the content was, so I don't know. I really like this romper, and I actually wore this out to a rooftop event that my husband and I went out to, and I'll be sure to include pictures of that. But overall, I was very pleased with this make. As you can see, this front opening here is pretty revealing. So this is one thing that I do want to change when I make the final. Also, if you're like me and you are busty, you most likely want to wear a bra, and your bra does show because of how low this is. So this is an adjustment that I will make on the final garment. The back piece also has an opening. It's not too bad. You can see a little bit of bra, but that's okay. I'm not too concerned about that. And then, of course, what we all like, it has pockets. The pockets, pockets, pockets. Who doesn't love pockets? I really love this make. My husband loved it. My kids loved it. Everybody loved it. I got lots of compliments on it. I was even told that it looked like it was store-bought. And I said, nope, I made it. So I was so pleased with this. I knew my final make would come out just right. This pattern is McCall's M8069. And I didn't realize that I left off the belt. But here is the garment with the belt. And this is view A, the romper. And I absolutely love the ties in the back as well. This is the wearable muslin. And here is the final reveal. Don't you love it? Because I do. I was so excited when I completed this make. I just couldn't wait to make this video. I wanted to wear it to work. I wanted to wear it out the next day. I wanted to wear this so bad. But I haven't gotten a chance to wear it out yet, but I will. Anyways, this is the McCall's M8069 View D, the jumpsuit. We model it for you. For this pattern, I did sew the extra small. According to the pattern envelope, this pattern has a lot of ease, as you can see in the pant legs. Anything bigger would have completely swallowed me up. So I did sew the extra small in this pattern. The fabric that I used, no, it's not one of the ones that I previewed. I jumped ahead of myself and I didn't pay attention to the yardage that I chose in those other fabrics, so I didn't have enough fabric, so I had to go with something else. This is one of the very first pieces of fabric that I purchased when I started sewing. I purchased this from Girl Charlie. This is a double knit. It's a terracotta rose poly spandex. It is, the background of this is brown, not black. It's brown. I've had this fabric so long because I was scared to cut into it because it is so beautiful. And as I was putting this garment together, I kept saying, oh my God, this is so pretty. And it just turned out great. Amazing. I did make some adjustments. As you could tell from my mock, there was a longer opening in the front. I did take that up by 2.5 inches just to close that up a little bit. It still is revealing, but not so much. I also took the back opening up as well. I took it up by 1.5 inches. And then for the armholes, I also added 2 inches to the sides, front and back, so that would give me some more coverage. And I absolutely love what I did. This one still has pockets. Now, before I went back in and made alterations to the hem of these pants, they were totally dragging the floor. So I did take off an extra 5 inches and hem it 1 inch. So that's a total of 6 inches, if you could say, that I took off of the pattern. But nevertheless, I am pleased with this make. I absolutely love it, and I cannot wait to wear this out with my husband. Once again, I enjoyed this challenge so much. Thank you, V, for extending the invitation for me to participate in this challenge. If you do it again, I'm your girl. I'm your girl. I love this challenge so much. I'd been wanting to make a jumpsuit since I started sewing, but was just a little hesitant. This challenge pushed me to make my first jumpsuit, and I'm so glad that I did. Go ahead and head over to V's page at 85th and Wade here on YouTube and on Instagram so that you can see all of the other wonderful creators that have participated in this challenge and their makes. I promise you won't be disappointed. Everyone has done an amazing job. And again, thank you, V, for inviting me to participate in this challenge. I look forward to doing it again. Until next time, see it, make it, slay it.